Hello everyone, welcome to Matt's Top Tech. Today we're taking a look at the Rise Miniboom wireless Bluetooth speaker, so stay tuned. Okay, welcome back to the channel everyone. So this is the Rise Miniboom wireless speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker from Rise. It's a small speaker, but it's very powerful. You get a full charge in 2 hours and you get 4 hours playback from it. You can also pair these up, so if you've got 2 of them, you can pair them up to have like a set of tweeters, which is good. And it's a upward facing speaker. So opening up the box, got some foam padding, we've got the micro USB charging cable. It's very short, but any micro USB cable will work with it, so it's not the end of the world. We get the speaker. That's the speaker. As you can see, it's very small. There's quite a lot of weight to it though, it's very heavy. It's obviously made from metal. It's got a metal grill on the top, so the speaker shouldn't get damaged, which is good. Also in the box, you get a little user manual, just telling you what all the different parts are. There's not much to this speaker, there's just one button on it, the charging cable, and there's a couple of LEDs showing you what the speaker's actually doing. It's a 3-watt speaker. It's got a 400 milliamp hour battery in it, and it works off Bluetooth version 4.2. So let's have a look at the speaker itself. You've got the Rise brand in there. Like I say, the top of it is metal to cover the speaker, and then on the underside you've got a rubber pad to keep it on whatever surface you've got it on. It just adds a bit of grip. And then you've got the micro USB charge in there. So if we go ahead and turn it on, you can just see the blue LEDs around there. So they indicate when it's charging, when it's turned on. Unfortunately, there's no other input. There's not a 3.5mm jack on it, so you can't have it hardwired in. It is purely a Bluetooth speaker, which is a shame because it is nice to have an audio in. So we'll go ahead and give it a bit of a sound test now, just so you can see. We'll start at a low volume and we'll go right up to full volume. We'll see what it sounds like. Okay guys, thanks for checking out this review of the Rise Miniboom speaker. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It does help the channel out a lot. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.